So we're about to delete this Duramax, and what deleting means on a Duramax and most diesels is getting rid of your diesel oxidizing catalyst, or equivalent of the catalytic converter, and the diesel particulate filter. And people get rid of these things because it improves mileage, and these things are super expensive. You're talking like $1,500 plus to replace it if it ever gets plugged up. And yes, it reduces emissions, but it also costs you a lot of money in fuel, and they're not good. And if you want to do performance tuning or anything, you can't if you're running all this. So I'm going to do a full exhaust swap on this. So I'm running an MBRP 4-inch turbo downpipe, which is still on the truck. I've got MBRP 4-inch elbow here, as well as this center section piece here, which goes in place of the DPF, and then an MBRP 4-inch muffler, and tailpipe out the back. And as you can see, this stuff is used. It's like 10 years old. It's been on and off the truck like 6 times. So I like to work from the back forward on this. It's much easier. The exhaust here goes up and over the axle, and there's not enough room, so you gotta lower the spare tire and get the truck off the ground in order to get this stock exhaust out. So here we go. So this is just 3 bolts that will be taken off right here. So you got to get this exhaust hanger off, which you should just be able to pull with your hands. And then you're going to want to get these 2 disconnected right here. And I just tuck the wires, or the vacuum lines, up top. We've got a sensor. There's the temperature sensor right here that needs to come unplugged. Squeeze, pull. And you gotta undo this bracket here. Mine conveniently has just been done finger tight. DPF time. So DPF is just hanging by 3 rubber hangers. You can just pull it with your hands, and 4 bolts up here. Make sure your lines are loose. So this should go without saying because this is an exhaust swap, but don't do this with the truck hot. And one of the main reasons I go this direction is this thing stays really hot for a long time. So I'm taking off this bracket here on the side of the transmission that holds the exhaust on. It's 3 bolts. I only keep one in it. I'll probably put a second one back in when I get the other exhaust up. But for my purposes, I only run my stock exhaust every 2 years for a day. So I don't have it up here too good. Finagling this up. So you have like no clearance in between your tranny and your torsion bar here.
she's stuck.
So that factory pipe probably weighed 40 pounds. This might weigh 5. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to loosely get everything together. I want to get everything on the hangers before I start tightening anything.